What if your Ona Sadya had a little protein twist? This egg avial brings the familiar flavors of Kerala's classic avial with boiled eggs, adding a hearty touch. First, cook 3 eggs and set them aside. For the avial, cut potato and carrot into long, thick pieces. Add sliced onion, tomato and green chilies. Now take grated coconut, cumin seeds and turmeric powder and grind them into a coarse paste. Cook the vegetables in a little water and add salt to taste. Once the vegetables are cooked, add turmeric powder, curry leaves and crushed shallots. Add the coarsely ground coconut mixture and mix well. Pour in a teaspoon of coconut oil and give it another gentle mix. Now, slice the boiled eggs lengthwise and add them to the avial. Mix gently so the eggs stay intact. And there you have it, egg avial, a simple, protein-packed twist that can find a place on your Ona Sadya. And when it's not Sadya season, serve it as a side with hot chapathis too.